Hi everyone, Golf Pro here. We're going to be doing covering putting from alignment, setup, all the way through to how to hold more putts. So hopefully that's really interesting. Bit slow out the gate today, to be honest. I realised I can't hold the camera like this, and I need two hands to putt with. So I needed to find a solution. I thought, why not ask Bimo, see if he's willing to help me out. Clearly he has better things to do with his time. Eat your greens, of course. So I came up with an absolutely genius idea. It's not genius, no, it's just books, tape, some boxes. So hopefully the camera won't fall over as I do this video. We'll wait and see. Well, let's get this all set up and I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back, guys. So, putting 101 for you all. Okay, so we're going to be covering this in a few videos over the next coming days, so stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe to the video, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get instant notification for when any of us pros are going to be uploading videos for you all. Okay, so putting today, we can split putting basically into three parts. We want to aim the club and get the ball rolling or putting on where we want the ball to go, so lining up and hitting it on the line that we want. Distance control, our putting stroke and how we actually get the ball to travel different distances. And then we use those two things to allow for slopes in the green, reading breaks, so that we can hold putts. So the most important thing to get right first off is that we aim the putter correctly. Okay, so on your putter, we may see that we have a little line. So if you look at your putters right now, if you've got them with you, you'll see a line of some sort there. Mine is also a motorcyclist. Oh yeah, but mainly the line there. Okay. So when we put the ball, once we have the ball on the floor and we're trying to hold a putt or putt to something, I'll go over that in the next video, how you can do that at home. We want to make sure that that line is pointing in the direction that we want the ball to go. That's the first thing that we do. So once we put our putter down, that should be aiming there, and the rest of our setup goes off that line. Okay. So once you've lined your putter up, you can see the line there, and I've drawn a line on my golf ball. That's how I like to line up. I aim that where I want the ball to go, and I match the line on my putter to that. I find that really, really helpful. You can get a special device for that, and actually one of those will be in the Golf Goodie bundle for the trick shot challenge, so for the overall winners, and also I think one for each week's winners as well, if possible. So get practicing on those. But once we line the putter up, we want to get our feet and our body position sorted. Okay, so I'm going to just take the putter away for this one here. So we've got two lines here. We've got the alignment sticks. They're going to represent, the one that's pointing at the golf ball is our ball position, and the one on our toes here is the one that's our feet line. Okay, and we want our hips and our shoulders to match our feet line, and we'll want them parallel. So once we have the club lined up, it's feet together opposite the golf ball here, and you can see there. And the first movement we're going to have for you right-handers is your front foot, and well, for right-hand and left-handers, is your front foot. Your front foot's the one closest to the target. So as a right-hander for me, I'm going to move my left foot just a little bit to the side there. Okay, and then I'm going to move my right foot slightly wider there. That's it. So you can see there. Okay, so my toes stay parallel to my target line, and I've got my alignment stick in the middle here. This one, pointing at the ball. That's my ball position, and you can see that it is just forward of middle. Okay, that's it. So once we have it forward and middle, we want it closer to our front foot. left foot for right-handers, right foot for left-handers. We're ready to go in terms of our feet. We want a slight bend in our knees and a nice straight back, and we want to get our eyes over the ball. Okay, so we should be looking down something like that. Okay, so our eyes over ball, club behind, everything ready to go. Okay, so that's the setup. It's pretty simple. Ball position, feet parallel. But I'm feeling that there may be how we hold the club. That's really important. I'm going to pass you over to Abigail now, who's going to show us a little bit about how to hold the club. See you in a bit.
That doesn't look quite as almost. So show us your grip, Abu, and then show Mummy. Now do it on your putter because that's a bit big. What grip's that called, Abu?
That, overlap.
Yeah, reverse overlap grip. It's very good for what?
Like that. And then like that.
This is Abigail teaching Mummy the grip.
And then like that. Then put that one there.
And the thumbs go down. Very good. What putter grip is that?
Reverse overlap.
Well done. See you soon.
Bye.
So, thank you, Abigail. That's awesome. Thank you. The overlap grip. So why are we wanting that finger overlapping? Well, that stops us flicking, essentially. It encourages us not to flick our wrists as we go back and through, which I'll cover more in the next video. Also, thumbs on top and our palms facing each other, what we call a neutral hand position or hand placement, affects how the club face aims throughout our putting stroke and our actual swing itself. So that's vitally important. If you find yourself twisting and turning the putter face, really focus on that grip. Get those thumbs down, get those palms facing each other, and then keeping those there. So focusing more on the hands, where those hands are doing, keeping the thumbs on top, rather than actually what the putter face is doing. Because we can control our hands, which control the club, but if we focus on the hands, whatever our hands do, the putter face will do. So maybe focusing on that will really help you with that. Also, in terms of pressure, how hard or how lightly we squeeze the golf club with hand, I'm looking at a really light pressure. Probably if we're going on a scale of 10 is we're trying to squeeze as hard as we can, to 0 is we're letting go of the club altogether. We're looking around about 5, in the middle there, 4, 5 on that scale of 1 to 10. And that keeps us more of a, keep the rhythm and the fluidity of the swing the same, and I'll go over that again more in the next video. And arms as well, nice and relaxed. Let's stay relaxed. So once we line the club up and go all that, grip is really important as well, because that really really affects your club face and the alignment throughout the swing and also prior to the swing. So that's stage 1 of putting. So what have we learned today? Lining the putter up first is really important. That's what the rest of our setup goes off. Ball position just forward or middle. Feet parallel, knees and hips and shoulders all parallel to our target line, and our eyes over the ball. So practice that setup, that little routine, feet together. Practice that, because that's really important. Aiming the putter, getting used to that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if there's anything you think I missed or you want me to go over, or future videos as well for Colin, Mike, myself. If there's something in particular that you want to see or cover for your practice at home, or if you want drills on anything from chipping, swing, more from putting will be coming up shortly. So let us know, keep it interactive. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell as well, so you get notified when the videos are dropped. And I hope you enjoy your practice at home, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next stage of putting. Say goodbye, Bimo. There he is. He really helped with the camera today, didn't he? Anyway, all the best, and we'll see you tomorrow. Charlie out.